So in this video, you'll learn how to disable Speak Keyboard Input Aloud on your Samsung Galaxy A26, A36, and A56. So you may have noticed that whenever you're using the keyboard on your phone, if you ever press on a key, word, or type in a word or a character, this will happen.
G. After KG.
It will automatically say whatever it is you're typing. So if you want to disable that feature, whether you no longer need it or you accidentally activated it and you don't know how to turn it off, then this is the video for you. So start by opening the Settings app and then scroll and select General Management. From here, tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings and then scroll and select Swipe, Touch and Feedback. Next, look for Speak Keyboard Input Aloud and tap on it. Then select the toggle at the very top to disable this feature. Once it's been disabled, you'll now notice that whenever you go to bring up a keyboard on your phone and you start typing, you can no longer hear your keyboard input being spoken aloud, which means that you've successfully turned off the feature. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.